Good morning, all. Myself, Nimit Jain from RA College of Engineering IT. In last lecture, we have studied conjoint analysis and basic terms of conjoint analysis. Today, we have studied what is the procedure to doing the conjoint analysis. This is our path flow of conjoint analysis. First, identify the research problem. Stage 2 is decide on the attributes and their level focus group of most predicted. Stage 3, choose the methodology, traditional AC or CBC. Stage 4 is interpret result. Stage 5 is run analysis. Stage 7 is validated the result, and stage 8 apply the conjugate results. How conjugate analysis work? Decompose the overall utility into the individual attributes part words. Adaptive model. Generally, the traditional conjugate analysis use adaptive model. ACA and CBC use intersections. Then traditional conjugate analysis, full profile, partial profile, pair compare or self implicit method. Full profile method, let us assume that cricket maker is planning to launch a new professional level cricket bat based on the inputs of focus group. These are the focus groups, 8 co-combo. Now let us assume response make all the profile based of utility of the lowest. Then partial profile method. Partial profile is the necessary when the number of attributes and levels within the attributes are large. Partial profile consider a subset of entire which would be representative of the full profile. Paired comparison test we also as a trade-off approach as a response in the force of make the trade off between the attributes levels. Instead of full profile or partial profile, trade-off metrics are created considering all the levels of two attributes taken at a time. This is one example of consider a multi-storied residential department. This is again example of paired computer. Now self implicit method pursued not to consider its the conjoint as its no trades of be made. Compositional techniques of response rate or rank the attributes of their level. Preferable options are traditional conjoint when the attributes are their level is large. Use the fundamental part AC or hybrid conjoints. This is example based on 1 to 10 RAM, hard disk, processor, and this is my example of laptop. This how it's work. Aggregation of utilities value. A higher value range value means the by varying the concentrate attributes of meaningful change of total utility can occur. The relative importance of factor can be obtained by weighting on the sum of the ranges. The largest standardized partial utility allow to make the statement about the relative importance of attributes at the same time. This is our example of clustering of conjoint analysis. How cluster analysis used in conjoint analysis. Then we interpret the result in ACA or CCA, and this is our utility factor given by beta jm minus beta j minimum. And aggregation of utility value, the total utility value of the incentives that shows the strongest preference among the all person set of one, the partial utility value of compute accordingly. The importance of attributes of for the presence change result for the utility range of several values of the attributes. So this is our conjoint analysis, how it is work. So we end our chapter. Thank you.